Pretty cool, huh? What's going on? Wow! Check this out. I'll put a coin in the controller. Then I can grab a cuddly toy. Got it! Ooh! Well, I have my own cute toys. These little bunnies. So cute! I don't need this anymore. Gimme! There's enough for everyone. I'm glad you like them. But I'm supposed to be the popular one. It's not fair. I guess you think you're clever, huh? What's that? What's happening? Ugh! Is that a pimple? I'm gonna squeeze it. This looks like it's gonna be gooey. No! Don't! Huh? Why not? I'll be right back. She always ruins my fun. This is for you. Squeeze this instead. Spin the wheel and see where it stops. Then squeeze a pimple in that area. Oh yeah, that feels good. It's a big one. Ew. Gross. Try it out. This is exciting. This one looks good. Why is this so much fun? Yuck! I know, but it's so addictive. I love it. Look at this one. It's my turn. There's only one left. And it's all mine. Ugh, it gives me the shivers. I guess the game is over. There's still one pimple left. Are you kidding me? What? What's the problem? Fine, I'll leave it. Ooh, I know. I can pop this bubble wrap. First I'll lay it flat. Then use a syringe to fill the bubbles with paint. Next I'll put a little yellow glue on top. I still have more to do. I'll cut this balloon in half. And I'll fill it with slime. I'll pinch the end to close it over. It's ready to pop! What do you think? Ooh, it looks good. Here goes. I'm gonna enjoy this. Oh, look at that. It's so satisfying. Can I try? Go for it. I've got this. Look at it ooze out. Whoa. I don't feel so good. Ugh. Madison? Are you okay? Oh well. Looks like I'm squeezing this pimple. Look at that one! Nah, no way. Aw, what about that doll? What was wrong with it? Now that's more like it. Let's buy it. Wow, that was quick! It's glorious! She's so pretty! Aw, she's having a baby! That's so sweet! This looks like a job for Nurse Madison. It's time for your examination. Interesting. Ooh, I think you're going into labor. You're about to be a mommy. Can I touch the bump? This is serious. Don't worry, I'm a professional. Out you come, little guy. Aw, it's a beautiful baby boy. Congratulations. He has your eyes. I want to play with a doll. I need to make a call. Hi, Mom? Do you have any of my old toys? As if I'd get rid of these. There's so many memories in this box. I'm starting to get emotional. Hey, Lizzie! Incoming! Ooh, wow! Thanks, Mom! Aw, look at that! This was my favorite doll when I was little. And it's time you were a mommy. First, we'll place this mini Huggy Wuggy on you. He must look like his dad. Next, I'll place plastic wrap over Huggy Wuggy. Then I'll cover him with modeling clay. Now I need my glue gun. I'll put glue over the clay and then sprinkle over some glitter. We always need some sparkle. When the glue's dry, I can remove the plastic wrap. Now my doll has a baby bump. She's glowing. Wow, that's so cool. I'm jealous. It's time to deliver your baby. I'm ready to do this. Just relax. It'll be over quickly. Such a beautiful baby. Coochie goo. You must be so proud. Look, Madison. Wow! We should have a play date! I'm bored. Look what I have. You're gonna love this. Wow! What is it? You'll find out soon. I need these. And then I need some balloons. Whoa! So many balloons! Okay, that's everything. I'll attach the crab, then I'll slip a balloon into it. Now I can push the handle, and it inflates the balloon. But that's not all it does. If I push this button, the crab drives across the table. That was amazing! Whoa! I'm so jealous! Let's try this one. I'll connect it to the pump. Then inflate the balloon. I wonder how big it'll go. A little more. And the astronaut floats into space. Wow! Look how high he's going! It's okay. I've got another one. I'll just grab another balloon. That looks like so much fun. I wonder if I can take a balloon. Ha! The perfect crime. I'll need to blow it up myself. This is tougher than I thought. I think I'm gonna pass out. What are you doing? This is gonna be good. I'm not good under pressure. A little help? Fine, take it. Oh my gosh! This is my lucky day! Thanks, bestie! I'm looking forward to this. Huh? It's not working. What am I doing wrong? Oops. Seriously? Are you trying to break it? I'm done with this. What have you done? Oh, I'm sorry. Please don't cry. Wait. Give me a second. I can't believe I did that. I need to fix this. Maybe there's something in here. I can't believe I'm doing this. This won't do. What else is there? Plastic bottle. I think I can make this work. I'll start by punching a hole in the bottle. This tool makes it so easy. Then I'll make a hole in the cap. Now I need a balloon. I'll put it over the hole in the cap and then tape it in place. I'll put another balloon over the cap. If I squeeze the bottle, the balloon inflates. Hey, Madison! Look what I've got. It's a balloon pump. I don't need this anymore. What a relief. Thanks, Lizzie! Oh, Butler! Seriously? How do you do that? I have excellent staff. Let's see what's in here. Wow, it's an octopus. It's so soft. Whoa! It can change colors! What? This is blowing my mind! I don't need the box. Wait. I think there's something in there. No way! Is this a magic box? This is so cute! Ha! Now it's grumpy! I'm gonna try this again. I want another cuddly toy. It worked! I'm so jealous right now. Aw, it's a fox. This is the greatest. Look at them all. I feel so lucky. But I've got nothing. Could I see the box? Sure, why not? Magic box, please give me a toy. Here goes. Huh? Well, that's disappointing. What am I supposed to do with this? Don't ask me. Oh, I've got it! I can make my own toy. I'll start by drawing the outline of an animal. I think I'll draw a frog. But it's gonna be super cute! I've drawn the outline of a second frog too. This will be the back. Now I'll cut them out. I'll just follow the lines. I need to take my time. I don't want to make any mistakes. Perfect! Next, I need some tape. I'll place it over the frog. I'll do the same with the back. I'll stick some card around the edge, then put the frog on top. Now I can stuff it with cotton wool. That should do it. It turned out well. It feels great when I squeeze it. Ooh, I like it. Let's play. Hey, little froggy! Ooh, time for some fun! I think you need a new look, Sophia. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. You're gonna love it! You look amazing! Hey, Sophia, wake up! Huh? What is it? Ah! My hair! What have you done? Don't you like it? What's going on in here? Oh! Look what she did! Don't worry, it'll grow back. Listen, Cheryl, you can't do that. It's not nice. Your sister is upset. Oh, I know. I have just the thing. You can have this. Oh, thanks. You're welcome, honey. I'm gonna play with it. And I'm gonna have a nap. Wow, this is so exciting. I'll remove this little guy. I'll put the dough in here. I think I'm ready. And now I'll push the lever. Whoa! His hair's growing! This is amazing! He looks funny! Wow! I love it! Now I'll give you a haircut! That looks good! We need to cut this part, too. Maybe we should use the razor! This is better. Yeah! You're bald! This gives me an idea. I'll need real scissors. Don't move, Granny! No! Betty's still asleep? It's the perfect pranking opportunity. Everybody wants more hair, right? Well, maybe not here. Oh no! I think she's gonna wake up. Huh? Achoo! Whew, that was close. And I can't forget to take away these bad boys. That hair is staying put. Ha ha ha! Oh! I really needed that nap. I haven't slept that well in ages. Huh? What's on my lip? Is there something on my face? Oh, you've gotta be kidding me! It's okay. I'll just shave it off. Where's my razor? Ugh. Wait. I have an idea. Did I lose a pair of scissors around here? Oh! My little box of goodies. I've gotta have something helpful in here. My eyebrow threader! No reason why it can't work on my lip. Let's give it a go. Feels like the hair's coming off. Yes! My skin is so dry today. Is that Naomi's moisture cream? Time for a formula change! Gah! Can't forget about the chest. The skin's so sensitive over there. Oh, this is about to get good. I guess I'd better get ready for tonight. Huh? What's coming out of my robe? Chest hair? But how did I… Ah! How did this happen? Oh my gosh, is Mowgli actually gonna leave the jungle? No way! He totally is! Oh my gosh! I don't know how I feel about this. Happy and sad? I need something to drink. Wow, what a great book. Wait, why does my face feel funny? My skin is totally broken out! I look like a pizza face! No way am I gonna let this stand. I've gotta do something. Time to start popping. Huh? What's going on? I feel a disturbance in skincare. Ah! What are you doing? Stop! No! Don't pop them! That'll just make things worse! Well, good thing you're friends with me because I got you. What are those and what am I supposed to do with them? Did you just put a sticker on my face? I sure did. It's got acne treatment medication. It'll help with your whiteheads. Trust me on this. Here, let's put them on all your problem spots. Are you serious? You want to put stickers all over my skin? Yep. We're gonna get your skin all cleared up. I feel like I'm a kid's activity book or something. Okay, good. Now I can take them off, right? No, no, no. You have to leave them on for like 4 hours. 4 hours? Seriously? The printers are on strike. Hey, wake up! You've only got a few seconds left on your timer. Alright, let's take them off. There's the first one, and it's already looking good. You're gonna be so shocked and surprised by these results. Yes! I was totally right! Pass over the mirror so I can see! Wow! No way! Look at how much better my complexion is! Yay! Wait, what are you doing? No wonder your face keeps breaking out like that. Man, is it morning already? I had the best dream ever! And I'm so ready for breakfast. What a night. Guess I have to get out of bed. Ugh. Whatever. Breakfast time. Alrighty. You're already dressed? Why? Huh? Oh, Naomi. You and your sleepy little face. Okay, I'm going. Purple always looks good on you. Yep. At least I don't have to wear a bra. Wait, is this thing backwards? I can't see! Ugh. That was scary for a minute there. Ah. Ta-da! Guess I'd better comb this mess. Ugh, so knotted. Phew. Geez, Betty, that sure was fast. Huh? I can do braids too, you know. Wait, how do I start again? Oh, Naomi. Hey, at least I tried. Let me help. Okay, fine. No touching. I get it. Hey, wait a minute. This gadget ought to help you out. Here. Whoa, that thing looks pretty cool. Just hook some hair in here. And pull it through all 3 slots. Then the machine does all the work. See? No tangles. Oh. Why not decorate with some beads? And why stop there? We can put braids everywhere. Yay! Ooh. Beat me! Girls who braid together stick together. Now let's go.
So what are we doing?
Ooh, look at these strawberries! It smells so good. It's so juicy. I could eat these all day. Stalks and all.
You need to eat them properly. You have to savor them. Make it an experience. And of course, have the right tools. This clever little gadget removes the stalks. I just grab and twist. No more leaves or stalks. That's better.
Yeah, whatever. You think you're so smart. I'll be back in a minute. I gotta be quick. I'll show him. Hi. I need your straw. Please?
Hold on.
Come on, hurry up. Thanks.
That was weird.
I'm coming, David! Phew. I'm back. And this is just what I need. Watch this. I push the straw through the bottom of the strawberry. And there's no more stalk.
That's pretty smart. Well done. Maybe we could switch around? Here you go.
Ooh, this'll be fun. You don't need expensive toys to have fun, just a good imagination. What's your favorite toy? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.